Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the 4-hour time frame chart of gold. If you have watched my previous two videos or three videos in which I have mentioned that this is the retest of uh, and the gold is going upward, and in those videos I have mentioned also the previous retests because the retests are of the uh, trend, and it is they confirm the trend. This was the first retest of this next upward move, and after this, now I want to show you the retests. After this was the retest, and the next retest that I have already mentioned in my last 2 to 3 or 4, whatever many you will watch those videos. These were the retests I had mentioned earlier. Same way, after this breakout, there is high probability that the gold will again retest some very important level, and that level I am expecting is now. Let us zoom in. This is the 4-hour level. Watch this 4-hour level. It was resistance here, support here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and then this is the level where the spike came out. Now this was broken with tempo, and the gold went up and broke the previous high. Once the previous high is broken, if the trend is confirmed, there is a good trend, I may say, it has retraced. Why do happen so? It because as the buyers who are the market movers and the sellers who are the market movers, they play main role. The big buyers are the big sellers. Now the big buyers has to buy at the high prices gold, so they wanted to buy high quantity in low price, as they did for how many days. Let me show you the days. They kept buying on this low price. They did not want to buy on the high prices for many days. Let us count those days once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. On the 12th day, it broke to the upward. So this was they wanted to higher rate, so they kept buying on this low price. As the trend was bullish, so this level could not be broken. Same way now the buyers, the big buyers who are the movers of the market, now this level is broken. This is high probability that the gold will go up, but not from this level right now. Here the big billers, big sellers must be active, not the buyers. But now as this is the level that is now, watch on the daily time frame. This was the resistance here, then resistance here, and this was support here. So this is a very important level, and it is high probability that this level be retested once again. Now on the weekly time frame, we want to see this same level also. Watch here on the weekly time frame. This was the resistance here, and here it was the doji, went up and down, and went down actually, just broke to the upward. This was just the breakout, then the retests here. Now, this week it has gone up, and now it is the last day of the week. So, in this week, there's I think the high quantity has been bought. So the big buyers, uh, after breaking this high, I think would like to buy on low price. Now let us move to the monthly time frame also. On the monthly time frame, it is same. Watch here. This was the monthly resistance here, monthly resistance here. So it is high, and now here also. 1 to 3 months previously. Now this month has broken to the upward, and this level is also broken. So it will keep going upward, but it is high probability that this level will be tested once again. Now let us move to the 1 hour time frame also. Watch here on the 1 hour time frame, the spike came from this hour, and this is the 1 hour time. This was the resistance, and this is expected to be same, though it looks like away, but it is the same. I think this will be just, I don't know what will happen because the trend is quite upward. But now let us watch that what is happening here in the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is there. This is the resistance created. First of all, the market doesn't fall exactly uh, quickly. That either it go up or comes down. It make levels. Now watch here. Let me show you the 4 hour resistance. Now we can see now, for example, here. Now watch here. Went up, came down. Now this is the resistance because these 4 hours are coming down right now. So I don't think that it will go up. If it goes up, then maximum level that I'm expecting. This is the level that will work as resistance, or we could say that this is the level. This is the level that has, it was wick here, now it is wick here, and 8 hours the market remained below this. So after creating some sort of resistance, if the market is up and if it market is down, then it creates a 4 hour support. Now it is expected that this resistance is created and now market will come down. Now it is better to buy from this level. I don't say that one must sell here, but if anyone wants to sell, then he can put his stop loss even below above this wick also, or this uh, at this level below this wick and above this body, or even above this, or even at this level if someone wants to sell. But this will be the also the nearest and try to stop loss if anyone wants to sell. But it is better to buy from the lower level. We can't say that. Now I want to see. Let us see on the 15 minutes time frame. Yes, this is the excellent resistance. If someone wants to sell, then the stop loss can be put above this. Now watch here. What level is this? On the 15 minutes time frame, we have many levels, many supports. Watch here. Here is also an excellent support. Here is also, but there is a news NFP today. So it is high probability on the news it is expected to come down to retest that level, that 4 hour level. Now let us move to the, so I'm expecting this retest. Now let us move to the daily time frame for putting the, now let me first of all remove these levels, these two, three, actually these three previous. And if this level is 19.6, this level is broken now. If this level is broken, then the gold will be in downtrend. This is such a wonderful level. Now the market won't go back to the retest of that level, because if we watch here on the weekly time frame, this level is quite downward. Now these levels, let me remove these levels. These were the previous retests. But if this level is broken, then it is expected that it is high probability. If the market comes down and breaks this level, then after retest of this level, sell can be taken. But if the market comes at this level, it is a nice, it is the best buy, and it is expected that the market will come to this level. I don't know what will happen. It is bullish trend. Now let us put the long position. Now long position from this level. Now stop loss below this level. This is on the weekly time frame, but if we move to the 4 hour time frame, we can find some nearby stop loss also. Now watch here. Where is that level? Now somewhere here. Where is gone that? Now this is, now if this is too long, then we can put the stop loss. After the break of this level, the gold will be in downtrend. But for stop loss, we can find some good here also. Here also we can put the stop loss. Here. Actually below this. But we can put stop loss above 1969. At this level, 1988, somewhere here we can, yes, 1984. Below, we can put a stop on 1969 or 1984. These are the levels. Now, if we watch on the 1 hour time frame, then we if we watch the stop loss, yes, here on the 1 hour time frame, so we don't need to put the stop loss, but even it can come to this level. The only condition when this market is going to be downward, when this level is broken. So if you want to find the exact safe position, then this is the stop loss, and this is the entry. And if you, this is also the 1990 is also the possibility of the stop loss. Now it's all up to you. I am putting it at 1990, recommending this. This is my, according to my analysis. Now let us move to the weekly time frame for, now let us zoom in. Now the stop loss be at this level. I don't know what will happen, where it will come here or not, but I think so. This is my analysis. You may decide what you feel comfortable with. Now let me put the horizontal lines also for take profit options. After this entry, here is the take profit option. Here is the take profit option. Now let me adjust this take profit options here. This is also take profit option, and at this level, in some brokers this level is broken, and to some brokers is not broken. But even above this, somewhere here, the stop loss is the possibility. Sorry, take profit. We have already seen here the stop loss. Take profit options we can have even above this level. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.